Money? Where are you?
Coming, Mom.
It's time for school, come fast.
I'm here only, coming.
Come on, it's getting late.
Yeah, Mom.
Wow, mango. Yes, for you only.
Where did you went? It was time for school now.
I just went to take mango for her.
See how you're looking. Go and take bath. Malu, what you're reading, ma?
Rhymes, Mom.
You have to read well, okay?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Malu.
When the blasting sun is gone,
Malu.
when there nothing is shines upon, then how
Can you
show
please
your
stop
little
this?
light? Twinkle.
Always you are studying the same thing. Instead of that, you can see the max. Okay, where is your slate?
Here only is there.
Take it.
Brother, I don't want max. I'll just read the rhymes itself.
No, you have to read the max only.
Let her read whatever she wish.
Mother, brother is telling me to not to read the rhymes.
Your brother will teach you max, so read properly, okay? Your father will bring color pencils for you. Hey, what you're doing? Just keep quiet now.
Very sad. He can't able to live anymore, right?
He is already died, then how come he leave?
Very sad.
You don't worry. In the temple a lot is there. I will take and give it to you.
When?
Now itself I will take. But mom won't send, right? But I have an idea.
What's that, brother?
You just tell mom I'll go to river and I want to bath. Then only she will accept. Otherwise she
Money?
won't leave her.
What you
Mom is
people are
coming,
doing
I think.
there? What happened? It's getting late for school, no? Why are you crying now? Money, you told that you have to go to school very early, no?
Today is Republic Day, mom. Me only has to go and give the speech because I'm the school leader, right? You should not know anything, mom.
Okay, what happened for you now?
The fishes died, Mom.
Oh, that's the matter. Okay, I'll ask your father to catch you another one.
Now itself I want.
Oh God, look at them once, always playing. Not only mother have to take care of their studies, even father also have to take.
What? What is the problem?
Malu fish was died, Dad.
Oh, that's all. So what, dear? I'll catch lot of fishes for you, okay? Are you happy?
No, Dad, I will go to the river and I'll take the fish
Okay,
for
then
her.
do it for her.
Malu, come, let's go.
Nice father.
They are our children. Children should always be playful. Then alone they'll be healthy and smart. Hmm?
Oh my God, just keep this one. What guys you are? Before that you did not play it in the water. Better you go that side. Just for a few minutes only we will play and go. Hey, go that side. Oh, you are talking unnecessary. You spoil the water. Go that side.
want
I'm
that
telling you, right? I can't able to tolerate this. Better I will take the cloth and I'll go that side. Oh my God. Shit.
Haha, what is this? You're fighting with the children and going or what? Eh?
Then what?
Let them jump and play in the water. It feels so nice to see that. People say that it is actually very nice to play in water.
Oh my God. You are telling this to me? Some people used to advise you, but you are advising me? Just see your job and go.
Oh my God. Okay, children, I am also joining you guys.
Oh, come on. We'll play.
Keep the mirror here first.
Malu, you saw my pencil?
No, I never see. That was inside your box only.
Often you're missing. How many pencils I have to buy for you?
Yeah, I got it.
Daddy!
Malu, come soon.
I'm coming.
Shall we go?
Daddy, where is my color pencil? You said you will buy.
Yes, I had brought yesterday color pencils for you. Shit. I don't know where did I keep that.
How you will get remember? If you buy only, you'll be getting remember, no?
Yeah, now I'm able to remember.
Where?
I'll bring it for you just now. Okay?
That side lot of flowers is there. Shall we go and take that flower?
Sure, we need to take that flower.
Come soon. Please have this one. Come soon. Here fish is there. We have to take that one. Here, have it. Oh my God, lots of fish is there.
Soon take that fish, brother.
Yeah, lots of fishes is there. I will take everything and give it to you, okay? Yeah, I got it. Oh shit, I missed that.
Take that fish soon.
Yeah, I will
Fast,
take. Help me! Anyone is there? Oh my God, she is in the water. Please help me! Anyone is there? Someone please come soon. She is
Oh
in
my
water.
God, what happened? I'm coming.
Help, come soon! Come soon, please! Fast! Anyone is there?
Oh,
Uncle, take her,
oh my
please!
dear girl, come. If you wouldn't have seen, my daughter would have died now.
How you will come with this dress into the school?
Yes, it's fully wet. I don't know how to go school. Long years back, we have got a freedom from Stegler. Because of the leaders, we got our India back. In India, we have obey rules and regulations and save the old people. We should follow and save the old duties of our nation. Because of some big leaders, we are enjoying the freedom. Then different languages people are also living in India. Because of our leaders, no caste, no religion, all are equal in the basis. We are following in India only, and we all are brothers and sisters. Like that only in India we are living.
Long years back, we have got a freedom from the struggler. Because of the leaders, we got our freedom back. In India, we have obeyed rules and regulations. We should follow and save the old duties of our nation. Because of some big leaders, we are enjoying the freedom. Then different languages people are also living in India. Because of our leaders, no caste, no religion in India. All are equally in the basis we are following in India only.
In this time, I am saying I am proud to be an Indian. Now I am just completing my speech. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
What happened? Can't you answer? Don't you think you're late for the school today? Don't you think what is a special day at school today? You're not fit to study in the school at all. You were not such kind of a student. Just see the way how he's come. The school dress is totally wet. Is this a way to come to the school? Do you think it's a market?
Sir, that is...
I know what to do. I can't stand such a behavior from a student. From today, you should be outside this office. When other students start laughing at you, then alone you will learn. Get out! Get out! Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Mani, I am very thankful to you because you saved my child.
What's the problem?
Sir, in the morning my daughter is coming to the school. That time one thing has happened.
Tell me, what happened today? Smart boy. Not to the school alone. You have become an example to the entire world. The braveness what you have shown today, this entire school is proud of you.
The nature has gifted us different kinds of seasons for us to enjoy the difference of life. The day is governed by the glory of the sun and the nights are covered by the grace of the moon. The nature has gifted us different kinds of seasons for us to enjoy the difference of life. The day is governed by the glory of the sun and the nights are covered by the grace of the moon. That was super. In this happiness, we'll just go for one more round.
Yeah, please do have. Today's entire drink I will pay. Because I'm really happy today. My one and only son.
Your dear son. He is actually a very clever boy of our village. If he is not there, our village is a sleeping village. Do we have any doubt about that?
My dear friend, bring my usual packet.
That is always ready, right?
To be very frank, after tasting the fish curry here, my wife has become an addict to it.
If there is no sweet and sour in life, then what the hell is our bloody life for?
My dear friend, how are things going on?
At least here, I will get the smell of toddy. But in Papan's place, there will be no toddy and no cash.
Okay, my dear friends, let's disperse.
Okay.
Today is a thunderous shower, I think.
No.
Welcome. Please, come teacher. Please, get inside.
That's okay, no issues. While going this way, I had to see Shankaran sir.
I too went and saw.
Now, how is he?
Yeah, he is not feeling well. Of course, he is aged now. Yeah, what to do?
Then where is your two childs?
Yeah, inside they are. They are playing. I'll just call them. Money? Yeah, your teacher has come. Come out.
Hello. By the way, madam, why are you standing outside? Come inside.
That's okay, no problem.
My wife should be here. Wife! Dear!
Yeah, coming.
Ah,
You done a good job, my child. Come here. He is a very good son. I never seen like him. Malu, let's see. Here my gift.
Oh,
Wow,
super.
it's box.
See
You
here?
have to study well, okay? Then I will go.
Please have some tea and go.
It's okay. Next time I will. You have to study well like your brother.
Yes, teacher. My brother used to teach me.
Who is it? I'm very very happy. Okay, I'll go.
okay. Did you see that? My son's popularity.
Okay. Now he is your son, huh?
Come.
Come.
Come fast.
Tell Malu to walk fast.
Come fast here. The boat may leave.
Come.
Come.
Brother, go
Come
slow.
on, quick.
Malu, come fast. Don't
Slowly.
run. You will fall down.
Slowly get in.
Me only go first. Get in soon. Get in fast. Get in. Yeah, come. See here, place is there.
Get in that side. Yeah, now you can move. What, my dear brother? Where are the percussion team going?
We are going to the neighboring village. We have festival. Don't go. There is one more person to the next door. Oh dear bro, just hold this and help
Just
me.
hold it properly.
Hey, just
Yeah.
be careful when you hold
Careful,
this. It's
careful.
all pots. Don't break
Slowly,
it. Huh?
slowly.
Just keep it in the side. There. Little Will you be coming fast? I'm coming fast. The bus will go now. You come fast. I just have one more thing to take. What is
Come
your
fast,
problem?
buddy.
You are traveling by helicopter or what? I just hold it now. Oh, okay. Let's start.
Malu, come fast.
Please.
Come
Yeah.
in.
Be
Careful,
careful.
Dad. Take me, please.
Careful, be careful.
Yeah, take your
Slowly.
stuff.
Yeah,
Take
come,
it.
Come.
Slowly.
Mm.
1 second.
Dad, it's raining.
Today it's raining heavily.
Oh my god, it's raining heavily. How can we send the kids to school like this?
I'm also thinking that today they need not go to school.
No, Dad, today max test is there. I prepared a lot for this. If I'm not going, then my sir will scold me a lot.
So what can we do now?
You don't go,
Then,
Manu.
brother, you should not go to school. We both will play in the water.
I have to go, otherwise my sir will kill me.
Don't worry, dear. I'll take you to the school today.
Don't forget to bring him in the
Yeah,
evening,
sure.
okay?
Careful. Please be
Shit,
careful.
today it's raining too much. Come.
Careful, Dad. Please be careful and go. Dad, it's heavy
Yeah.
rain. I have to go school earlier.
It's okay, we'll manage.
Everyone used to come, right?
Let us go there and see my son.
Dad, Kannan uncle is coming there.
Where are you going in this heavy rain?
I want to drop him at his school.
Will there be classes in this heavy rain?
What can I do? He's not listening to me. Anyway, let's go and see.
In the way ahead there is lot of flood. Please be careful.
Is it? Why are you taking this? This is not fully ripened.
In this rain, how do you expect it to ripen? If it's going to rain like this, the water level is also going to increase. My fear is the entire area is going to submerge in water.
If this goes on continuously, then what damages will happen? I don't know.
Really bad weather. What to do?
Yeah. Okay, brother. We are leaving. See you later.
Okay, brother.
Yeah.
It's heavy rain, then how come we'll take the class? What shall we do? In the heavy rain also the students will come to the school, right?
In the rain, how we will take the class?
In the classroom we are full of water. What shall we do? Our school is like that. Don't stand in the rain. Go inside. Go soon. Come. Go.
Shit. What a rain
Actually,
today.
these old songs are actually so nice and enchanting. I feel really nice to listen to them.
My dear friend, 2T.
Why the hell are you looking at my face like that, dear? Whoever gives me money, I will take. Whoever doesn't give me money, I'm not going to ask them also.
Many of our fields have started submerging in water.
When the water starts flowing down from the mountains, our rivers will get flooded. Am I right or not? Regarding the rain and regarding the mountains, how does this fellow know? He's a snake only, right?
The character of this rain is a little dangerous.
Who are you to say his character? Are you an astrologer or what?
Five or 6 years back, due to a similar rain only, our river was getting flooded. That time, not only the river got flooded, but we lost lots of lives and vegetation also. It will be difficult for the students who went to school. Will they be able to cross the river or what?
How can they?
Brother, I'll come back immediately.
Where are you going to now? What is wrong with him? Look here, master, how the water is seeping. The condition is similar in most classes.
I had told you several times not to wait till the rainfall starts. You should have done the needful before itself, which you have not done till this date. Whenever you have given some work, you always try to postpone that. See what happened now?
After all, very less children only, right? Let them sit where there is no leakage.
We should not take the risk, sir. Full of water, not even one class. In every classes it's full of water. We have to do something for this.
That's right. What teacher says is correct.
Looking at the condition outside, I feel it's going to rain more.
Sir, students are in very fear because water is coming inside the class.
Okay. You ring the long bell.
Okay, sir.
One more thing. Children going to far off places, don't leave them alone.
Okay.
Let them go in a group.
Oh, okay, sir.
Dad, waste of going to school, Dad. In the heavy rain, we both are
I
wet,
had told you
Dad.
several times. It was heavily raining. Hey,
Dad, now what we will do?
nobody seemed to be here. Shit.
Dad, it's heavy rain. Boat servant is not here. How we will go?
Yeah.
can't able to go home.
We will try to go the roadside.
Ah,
Shit, man.
Come,
The rain
let's
is too
go.
much today. Come, let's go.
Oh my god! Manu! Where are you? Manu!
It's heavy, heavy rain, Mom.
Are you scared of that thunder? I told you that rain is heavily coming. Why did you go out now? You are not at all listening to me.
Mom,
Come
I have
on,
lot
Manu.
of fear, Mom.
Come this side.
Mom.
Oh god!
Okay, okay. Hey, Ramesh, come fast. See, the two people are lying here. Hey, hey, who's that? Oh, oh, that man right in the middle.
Don't leave all that. Leave all the results.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I heard it.
Okay, man.
I'll hold the leg, I'll hold the leg. Go back. I'm taking care. Okay, okay. Okay. Here.
Oh no!
Malu!
Dear! My dear wife! Leave me! Please leave me! I said leave me! Please leave me! My wife! My child! Leave me! I said leave me! Please leave me! I want to see them! My dear child! My child! My dear child! My house! My wife! My dear son, everything is gone. Everything is gone. My dear son, everything is gone. We have lost everything.
I have to go there.
I've lost everything, my family. So, you have decided to go from here? Yes, sir. Take it, dear.
Sir, bless me. I'm going.
Wherever you are, you should study very well. All right. Okay, so we are leaving. Okay, sir.
I'm going. Bye,
dear.
sir.
The things which washed away in the rain was not his house and his earnings alone. He lost his aim to live in his future life too. He lost his one and only wife and his daughter too. So he decided to leave this village once for all, to a different place, in a different soil. He decided to start his new life, just for his son alone.
Doctor, Varun is getting violent.
Oh, is it so? Okay, you go, I'll come.
No.
Listen
I
to
want
me.
that. Listen.
No way.
Please.
No,
Listen to
leave
me.
Listen,
I
son.
want, just
listen,
leave
listen
me.
to
I
me.
have to go there.
Listen to me. Listen to what your
Just
father is
leave.
saying.
Leave me. Please. No. Listen to me. No, I'm saying right. And
Listen,
no.
you lie down here. You lie
Just
down.
no. Please. Leave me. Please. Listen my words.
What happened? What do you want, Varun? What's your problem? Why you are fighting with your mom and dad?
I don't want anything. Just leave me. That's enough for me.
What do you want?
Ice cream.
Oh, you want ice cream? What is there in this? You sleep now.
Lie down.
If you sleep now, I'll buy you ice cream, okay?
I feel sleepy, doctor.
You'll sleep now. You'll get deep sleep. Let him sleep. Don't disturb. You better come outside.
All right.
Nowadays, kids are getting all the drugs just like the things we are getting normally in the shops. In chocolates and ice creams, Varun used to get some type of drugs only.
Oh, is it?
So many kids are caught in their hands. This is all only because of the carelessness of the parents.
Yeah, that's true. Moreover, Varun was our only son and we were a little too lenient with him.
Only this cause all the parents are saying to me. When kids are growing, they are getting all the needs whatever they want. This is what the reason for getting spoiled. If we fulfill their wishes only, it's not mean that we are having love on kids. We know that all the wishes are growing according to the age of the kids. In starting itself, we have to control all their likes. Not only that, we have to make them to know the financial status of the family also. So you don't worry. If I get some more details about the Varun, it will be well and good. Please come.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, come. Hey, come dear. Gift your dad too. Want your mom too. Do you want chocolate, dear? Yeah. Have this. It's your favorite chocolate.
Hi, my favorite chocolate.
Oh.
Okay, come,
Just hold this. I'll come. Are they your friends, dear?
Yeah, all of them are my
That's good.
friends.
Give them too. Some chocolates. Let your friends have. All of you come here. Come. This is for you. This is for you. Are you happy? Okay.
Bye, Vicky.
Yeah, see you.
Hope your daughter Rose is very happy today.
Take this, madam. Grandpa has brought for me my favorite chocolate.
You want to uncle, dear?
Have it, uncle.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Come on, Grandpa. You have to see lot, you know.
Lot else to see. Okay, let's go. Do you have more friends to give?
How is she, Abhishek?
Fine, doctor. She's okay. Thank you for giving her us back.
Hope you are very urgent to take her now. No problem, you can take her. I'll just leave and finish all my formalities and come.
Okay.
Okay, doctor.
Yeah.
Mm.
Come, let's wait here. We just walk around there. Come. She's so smart. I can't believe that she's a patient.
Yes. Actually, the kid is not having the disease, only the parents are having.
I get that.
Look, if not in one way, in the other way at least, when parents are neglecting their kids, then only they are getting lot of stress and coming to here. Even Varun is also getting that type of treatment only. For example, I'll say you one or two things. After hearing that, you will be knowing that why he has come over here. If you see in the world all over 25 countries, the master brain of the IT companies in the business world. Now you saw Mr. Abhishek, the Rose father.
Hi, dear. So, grandfather's sweet kid has woke up. What is this, dear? It's already 7 o'clock. The vacation is over, dear, so you have to leave soon.
No, Grandpa. Hereafter I'll study here itself.
Oh, that's not fair. Here we don't have any big school like what you study now. My dear, do you want to swim in the pond?
Huh? Come on, let's go.
Come, let's go. Hey, slowly.
Hi, good morning, rabbits.
You wake up, dear?
We'll go to swimming and come, okay?
Oh, is it? You looks very, very beautiful, my dear. Okay. Once you reach from the swimming, I'll prepare the food which you like, chicken biryani and all, okay?
Wow, I love that dish very much. I love you, Grandma.
I love you too, dear.
Grandpa, come, let's go.
Come.
We'll return very fast, okay?
Okay. Very good girl. It's heavy rain and full of wet.
Yeah, come.
Money,
Are you alright?
I'm very fine.
Hi.
Where is Rose?
She's having a food inside. By the way, how was your travel?
Yeah, it was fine.
Do you have any luggage to
Yeah,
take?
everything is in the car.
Okay, you do one thing. Just take it. Come inside.
Okay,
Come.
okay, come.
Ah.
Hi, sweetheart.
Rose?
Did you have your breakfast?
Yeah, we just had it outside.
Okay, the paddy field work is going on. Let me go there.
Okay.
See you later.
Oh, grand food. Bananas, pickles, grand preparation. Who made all this?
Grandma's preparation.
Oh, it's auntie's preparation. Awesome.
It's getting late.
Okay, I'll just freshen up. Get ready.
What? You are in mood off? Have your breakfast soon. We have to hand over you to Prince Circle, then we have to go to office. Come soon.
Take this. You can have this too. It's really ripened.
Come fast. Come.
Okay, shall
See
we
and
start,
come.
Papa?
Whenever you find time, please make a visit. Come.
Okay. Where do I keep all this?
Keep it that side.
What are you doing? Why should we?
This is really good. It's really fresh. You will not get it there.
Okay.
Okay, carry on.
Okay, Auntie. Bye-bye.
Grandma, Tata.
Bye.
Keep that inside the car.
Okay, Papa.
Bye, dear.
Rose.
My dear.
I won't go, Papa. Grandpa, I won't go.
When will you come again to see me, dear?
I don't know.
Why? When you come next time, all the trees, what you've planted, will have lot of fruits. Okay?
Come, dear. Come. Okay.
I'll go.
Bye.
Bye, Grandpa.
It's getting late. Get into the car. Go inside.
Bye.
Rose. Come, come. Can you hear me? Come soon.
Wait, Mommy.
No, you are already late. Come fast.
Ah.
Wait. Come here. What is this?
What?
Day by day, you don't have any discipline and manners. You are not even switch off the computer.
Yesterday I slept off, Mommy.
Don't tell any reasons to me. Don't repeat it. Understand?
Mm.
Yeah, I feel pretty good, sir. I just checked the last report and I saw a delivery slippage of 1 week. What happened, sir? 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 Yeah. Yeah, sure. Okay, sir. Reshma?
Yes.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
coming.
Yes, sir. Yeah, okay.
Rose, come soon. See here, you're not even get ready. Day by day, your behavior was very childish. For sleeping and eating, you don't have any schedule.
Hey, dear. What's wrong with you? Do you know what's the time now? Sharp 7 o'clock. Okay, already late. Come, have your breakfast. Sit. No matter what, try to be punctual.
Okay.
Dear, don't support her. You are giving lot of freedom for her.
Now you try to be punctual, okay? It's already getting late. Hello? Prince has come, okay?
Eat it.
Good morning, sir. Morning.
Prince, today is Wednesday, so she don't need the uniform.
Okay.
Then don't forget to give the breakfast. Then lunch, buy outside and give it to
Okay.
her. Prince? Here, 5,000 is there. Just pay the tuition fees. Okay?
Okay.
Then computer class and for dance and music she won't go. So tell her to go. Okay?
Okay.
Then without performance there will be zero only. Yeah, dear, I'm coming. Okay?
Okay. Performance bullshit. Hi, Rose dear.
Hi, Uncle.
What are you always thinking, dear? Huh?
You know about Mummy very well now. Always she'll be asking questions.
All that is for your little bright future, right? Now tell me, when you become big, what do you want to become? Do you want to be like your father or do you want to be like your mother?
I want to become like Grandpa.
Why is that so?
Grandpapa loves everyone.
That's
no?
right. You should have been some big landlady in some big small village. Oh, today is also bread or what?
Daily bread only.
Anyway, bread and jam is a VIP food only, right? Eat, eat, eat. Take, have this.
In your house, what you will eat, Prince Uncle?
Porridge, pancake and many things like that.
I like them very much. Even Grandpa's house also like this only will be there. Shall we go there, Uncle?
Today? And you want your parents to shout at me, huh? Oh, and immediately you became gloomy. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, day after tomorrow is Friday, and after that is Saturday. Saturday is a holiday for you, so I will take permission from your parents and I'll take you to Grandpa's house.
Sure?
Sure. Now my dear, drink this milk. And now you have to get ready and go to school. Huh? Okay? Okay. Yeah, get up. Come. Oh, we're getting late, dear. Come fast, fast, come. Let's go.
Come fast, Uncle. Fast, fast.
Ma'am, shall we start?
Move fast, Uncle.
Hey, you should give me a high five. Yeah, I've got another job offer, man. Don't tell this to everyone, man. You'll end up in trouble, yeah.
Hi friends, good morning. Good morning.
I think I should give a try, right?
Rose, open your bag. Open it fast, fast.
Grace, what is this? We all went to USA for vacation. That time I just bought for you.
Now don't see, just go home and see.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Sit down. Did you enjoy your vacation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come to the lesson.
Yes.
All of you take the book, English Reader. Did you open the text?
Yes.
Please take the 5th lesson. What is the heading of the 5th lesson?
Small rabbit and spinach.
Can you tell where the rabbit was searching for spinach?
Among the sweet potatoes. Among the rocks. In a lake.
And in an empty well. Idal Rose, stand up. Stand up. What are you doing? What happened to you? Can you tell anything about the story? What is the topic of the story? Sit down. Then he looked for the spinach at the tufty grass, among the sweet potatoes, among the rocks, besides the river, and in an empty well. After that, the small rabbit went to his house and got the carrot from his father.
Rose. What you are doing there?
I'm studying, Mummy.
You will read here only. Go to study table. Go. Get up. Give it to me. Go. Have you got this?
Please give me this.
Why you are seeing here? Just read. Complete the homework soon. Prince, my dear was in business tour.
Okay.
I will come late because I have lot of work to do. I'll
Okay,
call you
okay.
that time you just come and take.
Okay then.
Importantly, pick up the Rose from the tuition class to home, then come and take.
Sure,
okay?
sure. Okay.
Just start.
Sure. Hi friends. Today we have a new member added to our family, Mr. Sunil. He will be working in our software wing. Now he's going to introduce himself to you. Hi friends, I am Sunil Chandran. I am from this city itself. Hope I can enhance my skills and knowledge with the good team of this company. Thank you. Mr. Jitesh, please show Mr. Sunil his seat. Oh yes, come.
Yeah, I'll just give the phone to her. Rose, your friend Grace.
Oh, Grace. Hi, Grace. How are you?
Fine. Rose, have you completed the homework?
Yeah, finished. And you?
Yeah, I'm finished long back.
My sweet mom helped me a lot.
Hi, dear.
Hi, Daddy. Mwah.
Mwah.
What?
My dad. Then your father came?
It'll take lot of time for my father to come home. Meanwhile, I'll be sleeping.
Hello?
Okay, dear.
Hello.
I'm just going to freshen up, okay?
Rose, are you in the line? Hello.
What?
Sorry, Grace.
I will give to my mommy. Hi, Rose.
Hi, Auntie.
What, baby? You won't introduce your mom to me? That much big person you are?
Huh?
Sorry, Auntie. 1 second. Mummy, Grace ki mother wants to talk with you.
See here, Rose. I have lot of important work to do. I have talked to her later.
Please, Mummy.
Rose? Hello? Hello? Hello?
It got disconnected? Rose mom is always busy, so only she didn't pick the call.
Okay, dear. Once you complete reading, come to me. Once dad has come, we'll prepare the food for him, okay?
Okay.
Hey, come. Come fast, dear. Yeah. What a big surprise. Suddenly you've come to see me? My sweet little granddaughter. Mwah. Come. After you left from here, there was a lot of surprises which happened.
What surprises, Grandpa?
Don't ask me, dear. You're going to see that now.
Hi.
Hey, slowly. Hey, come, my dear friend. So now you have become the local guardian of her,
Yeah, you
right?
can say so, sir.
Are you not happy with that?
Ha! In her case, it's not a loss, sir.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, my sweetie.
Grandma?
Rose, now only you are coming? Come here. Once you came, you went to grandfather. Then you are studying good, right? Compared to last time, this time is you are very
She
lean.
will not be able to concentrate on her health now. That's the reason. She is busy with her studies. Even if the government is willing to compromise, competition among school will not allow. And one more thing, she always listened to her mother. Performance should improve, right?
Come on, Grandpa. Grandpa. We'll go and see the organic plantation.
Like that means what?
It's there something like that.
Very naughty.
Come, let's go.
Poor little thing. She's very happy coming out of her home. The happiness you get when you come out of jail.
Yes, Prince. In this situation, money only important. They won't see the child properly.
Okay, Auntie. Do we have anything to eat? Answering to all our questions, I feel hungry now.
I prepared a good food. Come. Lots of servant is here, so only I just prepared a lot for. So you come confidently.
Then I'm going to have really well.
Grandpa, look at that. There is a nest over there.
Yeah.
Will there be birds in that nest,
Hope
Grandpa?
so.
I want to see
Want to
that.
see? Okay, let me try. Just a minute, huh? Do one thing, dear. Get up on my back. Okay? Come this side. Now get up. Slowly. Come.
Hi. 1, 2, 3. 3 birds are there, Grandpa.
Is that so?
Mm,
Take it and see. Slowly.
it's too heavy.
Don't slip yourself. Careful.
Today chicken curry, Prince Uncle.
Not just chicken curry. We are going to make whatever you like today. Is it not enough? Dear, we got to go. It's getting late. Eat fast.
Let her have her food slowly. Why do you want to go so soon? Her parents will be reaching home only by around 8 p.m. It's enough you reach by that time.
Little bit later we'll go, Prince Uncle.
Very good idea. While seeking permission from your mother, I had told her that I'll be taking you to the coaching center at 3 o'clock.
Nonsense. Can't you give her some freedom at least on a leave day? Why are you putting so much burden on this small child? If she becomes unwell, then you'll learn. During your next leave, I will come there and bring you here. Is that okay?
Sure? You'll come, Grandpa?
I'll come.
Mm. I'll wash.
Okay, let's go.
Here, take this. Bye-bye.
Bye, Grandpa.
Wow, I can't believe. Everything is fake. How come I believe this one? Oh, your husband is always angry on you? Tell me. That's okay, tell me. Really? You are lucky girl.
Mummy? Mummy?
Shalu, 1 second. What do you want?
Mummy, I have doubt about different kinds of maps.
You go and ask Dad, okay?
Please, Mummy.
Rose? I told you, right? That is my daughter only, always irritating me.
Daddy, can you please clear my few doubts?
Sorry, dear. Papa is too busy at work. Do one thing. Please clear it with your tuition teacher tomorrow, okay? Go and study. Go and study.
Okay, Shalu, I will call you later. Still not yet completed?
Oh God, the total network is jammed up. Got to send an urgent matter immediately. Shit.
Come on, dear. Come, we'll go and sleep. Tomorrow we will see this one.
You sleep. I have to send it now, okay? The price of 1.5 kilograms of green chili is rupees 24. What is the price of 1 kilogram? Price of 1.5 kilos of green chili is rupees 24. What is the price of 1 kilogram? Stand up. Where is your mind? No discipline at all. Sit down. Rose, answer my question. Stand up. You answer my question. What? Equal to. Sit down. What are you doing? Each day what we teach you should be practicing at home, right? Without practicing anything you come here. Don't you know or what? Last week only I taught you this, na? You don't practice anything at home. Okay, I'll show you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2.
Is this the way you dance? Get out of the class. Go. Go. You guys continue. Stand together and continue. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. Ajin, we got that US contract. Wow. Abhishek is not here. I'll just talk to Reshma and come. Yeah, cool, okay. Cool. Yeah.
We followed the deadline very clearly. I don't want any explanation. See here, we will talk later about this, okay? Okay.
Hey, Reshma, we got the US work.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you inform to my dear?
No, he's very busy.
Okay.
I too tried calling him many times.
Dear, it's very happy news for you. We got the US projects. Okay. Okay, bye.
Hi friends, we have an awesome news to share with you. Okay? As far as our company is concerned, today is a very happy day for us.
Congratulations everyone. So many years we are expecting that US project. At last we got that US project now. This is serious momentum here in our team and the way. Okay?
Welcome to the new extended reign of Ka-Mun-Ra, 5th King of Egypt. Now, the world! Kuru! Ra! Warriors, come forth! Send Larry Daly and his friends to their doom!
Rose, where are you? Rose? Rose?
What happened, Reshma?
She on the TV and where she went I don't know.
She should be inside. Come, let's see. Hey, sweetheart.
She is not there?
Let's check there. Go see that room.
Rose?
Sweetheart,
Rose! She is not there.
she's nowhere seen here.
Where she went?
Let's check the kitchen. You come with me.
Rose?
Sweetheart,
Rose! Where she
is
went?
she not there? Hey, don't make any noise. She's here. Just keep quiet. Oh, I see. You're hiding here, huh? Come. Get up. Come here, sweetheart. What happened? Huh? Come. What happened, sweetheart? Huh? What happened to you? Huh?
This is the studying time, right? You are sleeping inside the bed? What's this? You are
Come
passing
on,
the limit.
Reshma.
Dear, unwantedly don't support her.
Sorry, sweetheart. Mummy and I had to attend a function. That's why we were late. Sorry. Reshma, get the food ready. She might be feeling hungry. We'll have food together, okay? Pam. Come on. Come. Oh. Ah.
What happened? Can't you come to the class properly? Why you are not doing the homework?
The answer is very simple. You should observe what is being taught in the class. You don't practice anything and you come
Is
here.
there anyone to help you at home?
Oh, you dance like this? What are you doing?
Don't come to the class otherwise.
Reshma! Get up!
What happened?
I heard a noise from her room.
What?
Come. Come.
Rose? What
What
happened?
happened, sweetheart?
Any bad dreams you got it? Don't cry, I was here, right? Nothing
Sweetheart,
is
just
there.
drink this. Yeah. Slowly. Come, let's sleep in our room. Okay? Come.
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 Come, dear.
Come. Come.
Come, let's go and call the Rose. Come on, Rose. Come on, let's play.
I'm not interested.
What? What happened? Come.
Nothing. Just leave me alone.
Okay, we'll go. Come.
Rose? Rose? Ma'am? Ma'am, Rose? What happened to you, Rose? Rose, get up. Hello, madam. When? Oh my god, what happened to her? Oh god, now I'll send the prince to your place. Madam, you just take care of her because I have lot of work to do. Hope you understand. Please. Okay. Oh, okay, ma'am.
I had actually sent you a case, doctor, suspecting a rare disease. Yes. Doctor, I got a patient. I'll call you back. Yeah, come. Sit. Yeah, please take your seat. Yeah, what happened? She fainted in school, doctor. Who are you for the patient? I am a teacher. And you? Actually, it is me who take care of her. I take her to school and bring her back home. Okay. What's your name, dear? Huh? You're a very smart girl. Huh? Why don't you talk? What happened to you? Did someone shout at you? Or did your teacher scold you? What happened? What is troubling you? Huh? Let me just check and see, okay? Tell me, dear. Just cheer up. It's okay, dear. Physically, I don't see any problem with her. By the by, I have a friend, Dr. Sheila. She's a psychiatrist and specifically she is trained with taking care of children. I'll give you a letter for her. You just consult her, okay?
Long days I'm seeing Rose, but she is in very upset mood, I don't know. I thought it will be alright on that time. She is not interested for studying and eating. Always she used to sitting alone. Did you hurting her in his home? In your home, any problem is there?
No, nothing like that happened, ma'am.
Normally, mom will have more affection on the child. Do you know that? Especially for girl baby. Reshma, do you have any problem on this? No, ma'am. Never. Then she is affected a lot. Mentally stressed. I understand from this. I just said mental. It's for carrying her only. Some concentration problem. I understand from that only. No, ma'am. It was not like that. I'm sure. For job and life, we can't able to see her nicely. This was a problem. We unable to see her nicely. In this generation, it was happening like this. Parents are not even seeing the child very nicely. I'm the principal, so I'm telling like this. Don't think of me. We have to educate the children and organizing the student. For all developments are running into the school. Unnecessary, we are not outsourcing students with mentally pressured. We should not bond the child. They have to bond. It will be good for them. Take your daughter to a good psychiatrist, then only she will be clear. If you are doing the counseling, it will be good for her. So she will be alright soon.
Yes, come in. Please take your seat.
No, mommy.
Come.
Please.
I'm here, right? Come,
Please
dear.
don't want mommy.
Come.
Mommy.
Come on, Rose.
Come.
You're a good girl, no? Come on. You leave her. She will come and sit in front of me. Come on, Rose. Sit here. Come on, be. What's your problem? What happened for you? May I know what is her problem is?
Recently, she was getting a little too upset. What do I say? She's not interested in anything. She's depressed.
2 days before, she fell down from the school. One doctor was checked on that day. She told me to consult with you.
Now, what is your problem? Just say me clearly.
I don't know how to say that one. But she is afraid of someone. Nighttime and all, she is not even sleeping well. If she is slept, then something she is telling in the midnight and she will get up.
Though we are parents, she's getting scared of us too.
What happened, dear? Did you scared by seeing anything? Why you're not talking with your mom and dad properly? Did they scold you? You please wait here. I'll just check it and say you. Come on, Rose. Come with me. Come on, relax yourself. Keep your hands like this. Whatever I say now, you have to follow that, okay? Rose, just concentrate only on this. Look at only this. You should not look anywhere else, okay? You have to see only this. Don't look anywhere. Slowly inhale your breath and exhale out. Concentrate on this. Your eyes are looking only into this. You should not look here and there. Slowly close your eyes. Say, what is your name?
Rose.
What is your mummy's name?
Reshma Abhishek.
Daddy's name?
Abhishek Balan.
Whom do you like the most? Mummy or daddy?
Grandpa.
Then you won't like your mummy and daddy, huh? Why you're not giving any reply?
Mummy won't likes me. Mummy often scolds me. So I don't like my mummy.
Daddy?
Daddy likes me.
Then whom do you don't like anymore?
Tuition master.
Why like that?
Tuition master is very bad guy.
For which classes and all you are going?
Computer class, music class, dance class.
Other than grandfather, to whom you will like the most?
I like my friend Gracie
Mm-hmm.
and her parents also. I like them.
Mm-hmm.
I love Prince Uncle also.
Mm.
I like Grandma also.
Mhm. Please be seated. Look, Mr. Abhishek, this is the starting stage of Rose. It is one sort of a mentally disorder. Rose is missing something what she likes. Only because of that she is getting mental depression. Let her be here for some days here itself. We no need any bystanders and all. We will look after her, okay?
Grandpa, Uncle, when did you all come?
We reached here quite some time before. You were sleeping.
You might have wake me up, no?
Slowly. I should not disturb you, right?
What do you want to eat, sweetheart?
Coffee.
I'll just get it now, okay?
Grandpa, why did we come here?
You were not feeling well, dear. That's the reason. Okay, you take rest. Come on. I'll be here with you. Once you're completely alright, then alone I'll leave from you. Okay? Sleep.
Please sit. Your daughter is very clear now. Let her sleep without any disturbance for her. She is missing something in her life. I mean, the love and caring which should be get from the parents, freedom, all these. Why you people are not carrying that?
That is.
Ma'am, an IT professional's life is actually very stressful. And in the midst of that, my daughter's life was a little too neglected.
It's just like a pot creation only. We have to grow our children also. If you are not able to make that pot properly means it will be broken. So we have to handle with care. Especially the children which are in the age of Rose must need very caring and love and affection. Mainly from the mother.
Reshma.
Madam, that is.
Sorry, don't think that I'm just blaming you. You people are well educated. That's why I expected that you would understand what I mean is. In this past generation, So many parents are giving only importance for their studies, but no one is understanding their feelings.
It is correct only, ma'am.
Because of that only, that small heart has been hearted so painfully. Each and every child in this age will expect only one thing: love, affection, caring. But nothing is got for the Rose. But in spite of other children, they are getting all the affection and love from their parents. That made Rose to feel so badly. The only thing is, whatever she asked, you haven't replied anything for her. This was your mistake. Not only that, you have given out coaching for her also. But she is not satisfied in the out coaching. But you didn't understand about that. House is not to come and just sleep. That is the place where we can share our love, affection and everything. If you are not able to get that affection from the parents, means they will be addicted to the wrong actions. So please don't forget that. We have to show all the affection towards the children. What is the use of crying now? Now you have to think only how we have to make Rose to come out of that mood. If she want to forget all those means, you have to show all the affection towards her. Be caring with her and make her happy in all the sense. She will take at least 2 days to recover herself.
Okay, doctor.
What's it?
Dear, our daughter is having lot of affection and love on us. But I never spent a time with her and I never spoke with her in one day also.
But that was not because you didn't love her, right?
Because of us only. She was like this, you know that? I have to spend with her. I have to take her away. She is very happy.
In the midst of a busy schedule, we were not able to give her enough care. That's a fact. That is our mistake. But now, whatever love we could not give her so far, we'll multiply it and give it to her, Reshma. I will cut down all my schedules and we'll live for our daughter only.
Dear.
So whatever I told you can follow that, no? Hereafter, don't make her to get hurt, okay? Take care of her. Normally, kid's heart is just like a mirror. Everything will be ejected very fast. But if in case it is carelessness, then it will be a great
Yeah.
loss.
Never. There will be no more negligence from our end regarding our daughter. I'm sure. Promise.
I can't able to say thanks in one word because you changed us a lot. But anyway, I'm very, very thankful to you.
It's all God's grace. Kids are another face of God. That
Thank
you
you,
keep it
doctor.
in your mind.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay. So you're ready to leave from here, no? Come on, give me a kiss. Come on, Rose. Mwah.
Okay, it's getting late. We are leaving.
Okay, take care.
Thank you, doctor.
Come, dear.
Okay, bye.
Come.
First, we have to go to Grandpa's house.
Yeah.
We'll go there itself, okay?
Okay.
Get in.
Let's go. What do you say?
Yeah, we'll go. So poor, Grandpa.
Hey, that's okay, dear. Come, let's go.